Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to do auto caption on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and now you can start a new project by choosing the video that you want to add the auto captions to. But here I already prepared to you guys the audio or the project, so let's look at the project first.
Hi everyone.
So this project has a sounds or audio that a boy or a man talking in English, and I want to add the auto captions to make the viewers understand what the man say on this video. So how to do auto captions? You just need to go click text in this button features. Okay, and after you click the text, there will be appear like several tools. Since we want to add the auto caption, click the auto captions. And now make sure that you click the correct one. If you want to do the auto caption from the audio of the video, click the from video. But if you do the voiceover over this video, click the voiceover. So I want to add the auto caption from the video, so I click this, and after that you just need to go click start. And now we just need to wait until all of the process is applied into the video. Let's test.
Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is.
So the caption is already appear in the video. That's how you do the auto caption on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.